Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start biking for fitness with Trek, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have the right bike for your needs. Visit a local Trek dealer to find the perfect fit. Take a test ride to gauge comfort and performance. Once you've chosen your bike, invest in a quality helmet for safety. Consider additional gear such as lights and reflective clothing. Before you ride, set realistic fitness goals. Start with manageable distances and gradually increase your mileage. Use a fitness app to track your progress and motivate yourself. Plan your biking routes ahead of time. Choose safe and enjoyable trails to explore. Remember to warm up before each ride to prevent injury. Stay hydrated by drinking water before, during, and after your ride. Learn basic bike maintenance to keep your bike in good condition. Perform regular checks on tire pressure and brakes. Consider joining a local biking group for support and companionship. As you become more comfortable, try incorporating interval training into your rides. Mix in different terrains to build strength and endurance. Listen to your body and allow for rest days when needed. Always follow local biking laws and etiquette for a safe experience. Make biking a consistent part of your fitness routine. Track your improvements and celebrate your milestones. With the right preparation and mindset, biking can be a rewarding way to enhance your fitness. Now, gear up and hit the road confidently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.